who do the Jets play? They play New England. And what's New England famous for? They're famous for a clam bake. And guess what we're making today? Everyday cooking. Dad, cooking every day. Welcome in. Welcome back. The New York Jets are playing the New England Patriots, right? So we're making a clam bake indoors, right? Guys, we got tons of stuff. We got clams, we got mussels, we got these little lobsters, right? That's cute. We got sausage, we got potatoes, we got corn, right? We got garlic, we got onions. Guys, we got a ton of stuff. And I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we already washed and cleaned our mussels, right? We also cleaned our clams, right? So let's get started on the meat. Guys, let's move on to our sausage. I'm pretty sure traditionally you just dump everything in a pot. And we're gonna do this in stages. Doing it my way, right? I just want to extract some flavor out of this meat. And guys, we're gonna start boiling our potatoes over in the other pan, right? All right, guys, let's see if these are flip over. All right, guys, I'm just gonna make a little space in the middle of this pan here, going down with just a little bit of avocado oil, and then with our onions. And guys, the idea is, right, we're gonna have a little bit of a soup that's gonna go in the bottom of everybody's bowl, right? So you can scoop up some soup and eat a clam, yeah, or a mussel. So we just go in with our garlic. We're only gonna give this a few seconds. All right, guys, and now we're just gonna take our clam juice and deglaze this pan. All right, we're gonna let that simmer for a little while, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, our potatoes have been going like about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put our corn in. All right, guys, this has been going for a while. I don't know why I just didn't do this in our pot we're gonna be putting our clams in, but I didn't. All right, guys, so let's just transfer everything over. All right, guys, so I'm going with 2 cups of water. We do need to steam these clams. All right, guys, then we got some of this better than bouillon lobster base, right? I'm just going in with 1 tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna go with a little bit of Old Bay, just to flavor this water up. And guys, once this like kind of comes up to a little bit of a boil, I'm gonna put in our lobster, because these are gonna take a little bit longer to cook, and I don't want to overcook these. So I'm gonna put them in, cook them, get the flavor out, pull them out. All right, guys, so we've come to a boil. I turned it down a little bit. Now I'm just going in with our lobster tails. So we don't want to overcook these. And guys, we did put our clams in a little bit of water to try and purge them of any sand they might have, right? All right, guys, not to overcook these little lobsters. We want to take them to 130 to 140, and I'm going to monitor this quickly. Look, we're at 120 right now, so we're not far off from these things being done. Let's just check it again, guys. We don't want to overdo it. 127. Guys, I'm giving this literally like 1 more minute, because don't forget, we're gonna put them back in the pot, so they're gonna cook a little bit more. And then they'll continue to cook when we take them out. Let's check again. 160. Guys, I'm pulling these out. Guys, I'm gonna put the clams in one by one just to make sure none of them are dead, right? Make sure they're all closed up. At least I say by the handful, right? Make sure none of them are open. And I'm gonna just give the clams a bit of a head start over the mussels. Okay, I'm gonna put the top on top. All right, the clams have got a little bit of a head start, and I'm going in with our mussels. All right, let's go back in. All right, most of our mussels are open. Let's take a look at some of these clams. Let's get in there and see some of our bigger clams there. They're starting to open, guys. This is done. Clams are open. All right, just to keep these warm, I'm gonna throw these on top. All right, guys, let's build our plate. Go down with a corn, right? Clams, mussels, right? Any of the ones that didn't open, we're not gonna eat those, right? All right, guys, I'm just gonna hit this on top. A little bit of Old Bay. And that's it, guys. We're getting ready to eat. All right, let's jump into this. Got a clam. Wow, this is perfect. Go with a mussel. Guys, you can't help but eat this with your hands, right? Look at this lobster, it just comes right apart. Oh, you gotta get in there with your hands. You have to press on the sides. For those that need, go ahead and get yourself a fork or a knife and open this up. Guys, like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.
You can't hide.